If you are an ambitious person but can't seem to do enough in a day or can't seem to take steps towards your goals, that is because you are not implementing the correct habits that will keep you on track. If you ask any successful person, they will always say that motivation is what gets them started, but habits are the things that keeps them on track, keeps them pushing forward towards their goals. So in this video, I will be talking about the 7 habits of highly successful people that you need to start implementing in your life right away. Hey guys, this is Taresh and this channel is all about personal finance, entrepreneurship, investing and helping you achieve your financial freedom. If you want to be successful, you need to understand that success is nothing but just the sum of the small decisions and small efforts that you take day in and day out. The thing is that no one succeeds overnight and no one fails overnight. Life is a constant work in progress, and the small decisions that might not seem very big at that point of time, your habits, your go-to move, your small efforts day in and day out will determine how and where you will reach in your future. And if you want to be successful, you need to start implementing good habits that will ensure your success later down the line. So in this video, I will be going over the 7 habits of highly successful people that you need to start implementing. The first habit that you need to start implementing is that you need to win the morning. Because if you are able to win the morning, you will be able to win the day. Successful people know that if they start their morning on the right foot, then the whole day they can be as productive as possible, as creative as possible, and whatever their work demands, they can give their 100% if they start their morning on the right foot, because your morning will set the tone for the rest of your day. You need to make sure that you can get your brain active as soon as possible, get the blood flowing, get the body moving. Personally, talking about myself, I wake up each and every day at 3 o'clock in the morning. The first thing that I do is I take 10 ml of apple cider vinegar with hot water. I hate that stuff, but because it is acidic, it really just hits my brain and just gets my brain moving in the right direction. Then I do some meditation, some stretching. I just get my blood flowing. I just get my body moving. You can set up any routine. You don't have to follow any one single person's routine. It can be coffee, it can be meditation, it can be setting up your bed, it can be not looking at your phone right away, it can be just doing some stretching, or if you are a gym person, doing your gym session in the morning or just going out for a run. You just need to get your body active and make your body ready to be as productive as possible throughout the whole rest of the day. The second habit of highly successful people is that they have set goals. Daily goals, weekly goals, monthly goals, yearly goals. They have proper written down goals on a piece of paper so that they can always fall back on those goals whenever they are overthinking, whenever they are in doubt that what should I do, where should I invest my time. They fall back on those goals, and those goals help them to take decisions each and every day towards their goals. Because successful people know that leading a life without goals is the same as trying to get out of a maze without a map. You need a map to get out of a maze, and you need your written down goals in order to dictate your life, in order to take the right decisions at the right moments, and it will help you to channel your energy and make you achieve your goals. So setting goals will help you to be as productive as possible, not to overthink, not to procrastinate, and not to get lost, because your mind will go in 10 different directions if you don't have some set goals controlling it. If you don't have some set goals binding your mind towards one direction and getting all the productivity towards those goals. The third habit that highly successful people inculcate is they take 100% responsibility for their actions. My boss is pushing me too hard. I work a 9 to 5. I spent money on paid ads, but nothing is working. No one is buying my product. This, that, excuses. Yes, different people have different situations in their life. Some are more extreme, some are more subtle, but you need to get out of this. If you want to achieve something in your life, you need to take life changing decisions and you need to do the hustle. You need to grind, because it was not your fault that you were born poor. But if you die poor, it will for sure be your fault. So successful people know that blaming others, blaming your boss, blaming the time, blaming the customers will not help, and taking 100% responsibility for your actions will only work. Because the faster you take full responsibility of your actions, you will be able to move on past your failures towards achieving your goals. Because what you do after a failure is also your responsibility. Do you learn from that and move on, or do you get into a shell and just blame others, or blame the circumstances, or blame the timing, or all of those other factors? The fourth habit of highly successful people is that they are passionate about what you do. There needs to be some higher power, some higher motivation that pushes you through all the laziness, all the procrastination, all the overthinking, all the failures. There needs to be some higher motive. There needs to be something that motivates you to achieve your goals, to get past all of the troubles. And this will only come if you are passionate about what you do. As most of you might know, that all of my money that I make comes from the online world. I am a digital marketer. So each and every day, my daily ad spend is almost $2,000 to $3,000 that I spend on paid ads. So each and every day when I wake up to check what was the performance overnight, each and every day I just jump out of my bed in the morning to check what were the results today, and it never gets old. So you need to be very, very passionate about what you do, because when the time gets tough, you won't be able to go past that if you're not passionate and if you don't believe in what you're doing. So there needs to be some higher power, some higher motivation that pushes you. Maybe you have to do it for your family. Maybe you want a car so desperately. Maybe you want to buy that house so desperately. It can be material. It can be emotional. Maybe you just want to feel proud of yourself. So there needs to be some motive behind each and every action that you take. And the power of that motive, the strength of that motive will determine if you're able to push through the difficult times and if you're able to be successful. The fifth habit that you need to develop is that successful people do have fears, but they go past it. For example, as I told you that I spend almost $2,000 to $3,000 each and every day on paid ads. I've been doing it for the past 2 years and most of it is stable, but each and every day I am fearful that today it might not work. Today something might change. Today I might not get the results that I was expecting. But is it stopping me? No, because I know that even if I don't get the results that I was looking for, I am learning something from it. And I know that I am taking the right steps towards achieving my goals. But was it an overnight success? Was the first business that I started a great success? Or was the first method that I used online made me thousands of dollars? No, I spent countless hours doing something that failed at the end. I had plenty of Instagram pages at the beginning. I started multiple YouTube channels and failed at some, passed in some. I had different websites created on Google. I ran paid ads on Facebook, Google, Snapchat. A lot of stuff I tried before I was able to be successful. And while doing all of that, was I fearful that it might not work? Yes. Obviously, each and everybody is fearful about the future because no one knows what will happen in the future. But I always knew that I was built for this online stuff. I like talking to people. I like video editing. I like sitting on my laptop the whole day in my office and just doing work online. So I knew that I was taking leaps and bounds towards my goals, towards my dreams. Each and every Instagram page that failed, a Facebook ad that failed, Google website that failed. It was telling me a lot of things. It was teaching me a lot of things, and it was pushing me towards the goal. It was pushing me towards the correct method, the correct path, the business that got successful, the business that made me actual money. It was all pushing me towards that. So you need to do the same. If you want to start something, don't think about what your family will think, what your boss will think. You need to sort out all of that, and you need to start working on your dreams, on your goals without any regrets. And yes, you will be fearful, but you need to get past that if you want to be successful. Now, the sixth habit of highly successful people is that they are willing to give up. Everything is a trade-off. If you have to achieve something, you have to let go of something. Partying every weekend, going out with your friends, talking with your best friend for 2 hours each and every day. All of those things are fine, and I might seem cruel saying that you should not do all of those things, but it is the truth. The truth is that it will take 12-hour days, 60-hour weeks to be successful. That is what it will take. And if you want to be successful, you should know that. You should be ready to do some sacrifices. You might not have a very active social life. You might not talk to your friends each and every day. You might not go to the vacation each and every summer or whenever you take your holidays. You might not be a very cool person, but you will be taking leaps and bounds towards your dreams if you are ready to do the sacrifice, if you are ready to do the work, and if you are ready to accept that, yes, if I want to be successful, my friends have to wait, my family has to wait, my girlfriend has to wait. I need to focus on myself. I need to focus on my life right now, and you need to work towards your dreams. And last but not the least, the seventh habit of highly successful people is that they are able to visualize success. If you follow all of these previous habits, that setting goals, taking full responsibility, ready to do the work, passionate about what you do, all of these things combined will help you visualize success. You will be able to see the light at the end of the tunnel, even if that light is 2 years down the road, 3 years down the road. When I started my online journey, from that point to now, it has almost been 4 years, but I always knew that I had to do something online, and I was ready to learn new things each and every day. And I always knew that I would be successful because I was fully passionate about this all online stuff, and I was able to see the light at the end of the tunnel. I was able to see that some of the businesses, not all, but at least some, will pop off and make me money. So you also need to do the same. If you are passionate, you are willing to work, you are 100% committed, you are taking 100% responsibility. If you do all of this combined, you will always be able to see the light at the end of the tunnel. Will this work? Will this not work? You will always have full faith in your decisions, because your decisions will be driven by your goals, will be driven by your passion, and you know that even if it fails, I am so motivated that I will go past it, I will learn from it, and I will constantly keep trying towards my goals, whatever it might be. So you need to always manifest your dreams. You need to always manifest what you want, and the power of manifestation is actually true. So these were the 7 habits of highly successful people, and you also need to start implementing them right now if you want to be successful. So that is basically it. Likes if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you loved it, and if you want to learn about the 5 keys on how to never be poor or broke again, check out the video that is flashing on your screen right now to learn the 5 keys on how to never be poor or broke again.